Good morning, students. Students, hope you are doing well at home. Today we are going to start this chapter, Our World, Measurements. So let us start. A brother and sister are sitting on two sides of a seesaw. Who is heavier? We can see that the brother is heavier. But by how much? For this, we have to measure their weights and find the difference. A father and his son are standing next to each other. Who is taller? We can see that the father is taller. But by how much? For this, we have to measure their heights and find the difference. Length, weight, and capacity are physical quantities that we often need to measure. Physical quantities may be measured with physical things. The girl is measuring the desk with her handspan. She counts and finds that the desk is 8 handspans long. Okay. Her teacher counts and finds that the desk is 6 handspans long. Why did they get different measurement of the same length? Because the teacher's hand span is longer than the girl's hand span. Thus, for uniformity, there are standard units of measurements. Let us learn about these units of measurements. Look at this picture. We can see that the boy is heavier. So, what is his weight? To measure the weight, we can take help of unit. Same in this picture, we have to measure their height with the help of unit. Now look, they are measuring the bench with their handspan. Their measurements are different from each other because the teacher's hand is longer than her. So we need a standard unit. Length, weight and capacity are physical quantities. We have to measure the quantity with the help of units. Okay, come to the next page. Measurement of length. For measuring any unknown quantity, we have to compare it with the unknown quantity. You can compare the length of a shoebox against a ruler. A cloth merchant uses a metal meter rod to compare an unknown length of cloth. A tailor measures your collar size with a measuring tape, and they measure our body size with the help of measuring tape. The ruler in your geometry box is 6 inches long. You may have also used a foot-long ruler. The meter rod is 1 meter long. Meter is the standard unit for measuring length. Remember this, okay? Smaller length can be measured in millimeters or centimeters. The foot-long ruler is about 30 centimeters or 300 millimeters long. It would be hard to measure the distance between cities and centimeters or even meters. Here a bigger unit of length or kilometers is used. This is 1 foot ruler, this is meter rod, and this is a measuring tape. This boy is measuring the length of the suitcase with the help of a measuring tape. This electrician measuring the length of a wire with this measuring tape. The tailor is measuring the waist of this boy with the help of measuring waist. So student, you have to remember this. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. 1 meter equal to 100 meters. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeters. 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeters. 1 foot equal to 12 inch. So student, read and remember this, okay? Student, look, this is your homework for today. Look, I have done these answers for you. So read and remember these answers, okay? And do it in your copy. See you in the next class. Bye bye, students.